Welcome back to Arts and Crafts with Mountain Shadows. Today we're going to make a bird's nest. Amigos, el día de hoy vamos a hacer un nido de pájaros. In your packet you're going to receive different color construction paper. En su paquete van a recibir papel de diferentes colores. You are going to need scissors and glue. And I'm going to use a cup to make some circles. Vamos a necesitar un vaso o algo redondo y tijeras y pegamento. So we're going to start with the two light colors that you received, and I use this cup to mark the circles. So I'm going to make two circles here, and then when our circles are done and cut, we are going to fold them in half. Ya que cortamos nuestros círculos, los vamos a cortar a la mitad, los vamos a doblar a la mitad. And then we are going to make two cuts here and here, like this, and then we are going to round the wing. So if you see, we fold it in half, then we cut this part, and then we rounded the wing. Entonces, si ven, lo doblamos a la mitad, le cortamos esta parte y redondeamos la ala. That way we have the head, the wing, and the tail. We do the same with the yellow one. Hacemos lo mismo con el amarillo. We fold it in half. We cut the top part. We round the wing, and then we have a little bird ready. Okay, with the extra paper that you have, we are going to cut two little triangles for the beaks. Y con el papel que le sobró rojo o anaranjado, vamos a hacer dos triángulos para el pico. We're going to with our pencil, we're going to draw a little eye on each bird, right there. Con nuestra pluma le vamos a poner un ojito a cada pajarito, so they look like this. And then we are going to glue the beaks. Y ahora con nuestro pegamento les vamos a pegar los picos. Okay, so there we go. This guy now has a beak, and now this other guy, there, now they can sing. Y así ven como ya tiene su ojo, su pico, alitas y la colita. And then you see it has eyes, a beak, the wing, and the tail. And we did the same with the other one. Hicimos lo mismo con el otro pajarito. Now, you're going to use your brown paper, and you are going to fold two corners. So it's going to look like this. Con su papel café van a cortar una tira, van a doblar las esquinas de abajo y le va a quedar así. Now we're going to glue this onto the blue paper. Okay. Y ahora vamos a pegar nuestro nido en el papel azul. There you go. And we're going to glue the two corners to the paper. Y así vamos a pegar el nido, and you see it gives a 3D effect. Y si se fijan, les da un efecto de 3D. What we're going to do now, we're going to glue our little birds in the nest. So we apply glue. There goes one, and then yellow one. We do the same. And you see, now they look like, wait, let's move them a little bit inside. They look like they are in the nest, you see? With our green paper, we're going to cut a few leaves. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to fold it in 3 like this, and then I'm going to draw the wing, not the wings, but the leaves. Pintamos una hoja y las cortamos, and then we cut them. And then we're going to glue these leaves anywhere we like. Y después vamos a pegar estas hojas donde nosotros queramos. Okay, this one I didn't cut completely. There it is. Y así tenemos nuestras hojas y le vamos a pegar unas aquí. Y otra acá. And then you're going to glue them anywhere you like. For example, I put 2 here. And then I can glue 2 more here on the top. And then that's how your nest is going to look. It depends if you want your birds to be looking to each other, or if you want them to be looking away. It's completely up to you. So there it is. Y así nos queda nuestro nido. Y si ustedes quieren que los pajaritos estén viendo a uno al otro o estén viendo para el otro lado, es completamente como ustedes gusten. Espero que les haya gustado. I hope you like this project and we'll see you next time.